Cruise Lite, my 17 RBXL. That's a lightweight trailer. I'll showcase a little of what's going on in the front. This comes standard with two 20-pound cylinders, a power lit tongue jack, dual axle, all the great stripes on this thing, the more ride steps, and even showcasing the JT strong arms, which is far superior than just the jack alone. We'll take a walk on the inside. I'm going to showcase a little of what's going on. This one actually features its own Murphy bed area, extendable countertop if you need to have some extra room. I'm going to show you a little demonstration how to put this down. One finger operation. And done. Takes about 2 seconds to put it down. This one features its own CPAP area on both sides. Great pass-through storage. This one is going to feature a couple of things here. You have your own waterproof totes under this one, as well as here. We have windows that actually do open. This one came with an upgraded no T molds on this countertop. We have our stove option with its own backsplash. A 3-burner stove actually does have its own oven. We feature a 12-volt fridge, gives you the maximum amount of area. What a fantastic fridge. This unit features lots of storage inside of this bathroom on a small unit. Great shower, big enough for the tallest guy to sit inside of this one. Hang your clothes right up in the bathroom area. We have it thermostatically controlled. This one actually will feature everything. Matching colors, upgraded furniture. This unit weighs in at 3,900 pounds. This is a great unit. Come and see me at Scenic RV in Bearville.